Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 25 divided by 1 over 4 then times 2. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. As we know, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So first we do this division. 25 divided by 1 over 4. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. Keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. 25 divided by 1 over 4, based on this rule, can be written as 25 times 4. And let's recopy times 2. Now, 25 times 4 equals 100. And 100 times 2, which equals 200. So our final answer to this problem is just 200.